Person complete is 3 types in P6. Duration person complete, physical person complete, unit person complete. In this training, the percentage is calculated according to unit person complete. But I will explain physical and duration person complete too, to be familiar with these 2 types of methods for tracking the progress of tasks or activities. Duration person complete. For duration person complete, you must first assign the baseline, then go through to the duration person complete. For assigning baseline, go to baseline videos. I will explain it after this lesson. Just make sure first you need to assign a baseline, then start to get progress with duration person complete. Duration person complete is the method for calculating the progress from planned and remaining duration values. For example, foundation activity is a 7-day planned duration activity. Suppose that we have started foundation and it is the 5th day. The remaining duration is 2 days. Primavera uses this formula to calculate the percentage. The percentage calculation is 71%. Now I want to update this activity in Primavera. I've already copied and pasted DB duration person complete from my original project and changed its name. Then I assigned a baseline. Just be sure, if you don't know how to assign a baseline, no problem, I will explain it in the next lesson. Now it is time to update the activity with duration person complete. I return to Activities tab and select Foundation. I just give one example to one activity. The method for the rest of the activities is the same. From General tab, Person complete type, choose duration. For changing all activities person complete type into duration, instead of selecting activities one by one, it is better to go to columns and person complete type. Here they are, their duration. If yours is not yet changed to duration, it is enough just to change one activity person complete type and press Shift from keyboard. Select the activities and fill down. I selected the foundation. In the Status tab, first I check the mark of started. Here, make sure you cannot start foundation before starting other activities like waterproofing, lean concrete, or even site mobilization. First, you need to start the mobilization. Then, activity by activity, we will reach to the foundation. So, I select these activities and one by one from status, I check started. When I check started here, automatically it finishes also, because it is a milestone without duration. Civil works starts and finishes, and so other activities. They must finish. Then we can start foundation. Foundation is start on 12th of March. For any other date, you can change it from these 3 dots. The data date is 16th of March. I press the schedule icon and select 16th of March and schedule. You know what is it? This is because of getting reports and see any changes till this data date. The columns here are not showing me the actual duration. From a start column, I can see just A is appeared. It means it is actual. Okay, for seeing actual column, I go to columns. From durations, I select actual duration and remaining duration. From person complete, I select duration person complete. You see, actual duration for foundation is 3 days. It is calculated automatically by Primavera P6. Let's see how it is calculated. 12th of March is the actual start date. 16th of March is data date. So, data date minus actual start date minus holidays. In other words, if I extract 12 from 16, I get 4. And 1 day is holiday between these dates. So 3 is calculated. And that's right. Remain duration and original duration are the same. And duration person complete field is 0. In the remaining duration, I enter 2, or from status here, remaining section, write 2. Now, duration person complete is calculated automatically by Primavera and shows 71.43%. This is the fastest way to get an activity progress. Be aware that the duration person complete and remaining duration are linked. If you enter one of these fields, P6 will automatically calculate the other one. This type of person complete is suitable for the works which the time and duration is important.